And now, your first Alert 5 weather.
Things are quiet. We're scanning the skies here in southern Colorado, but we're going to widen things out because not only do we have radar on this map, we also have the watches and warnings. And check this out. Everything is lit up from I-70 from Kansas City to Wichita all the way down south of Dallas, almost towards San Antonio. All of this is a heat advisory. There's a lot of hot air here in the central part of the U.S., and a lot of that is making its way here into Colorado. Current temperature right now, 90 degrees. We were as high as 93. The record for today is 95, so I know we've come close to that. But also check this out. South winds at 23 miles an hour. More importantly, the humidity value. Right now, that is at 13%. Very dry air out there. Also in Pueblo, 11% humidity with a current temperature of 98. And when we talk about those relative humidity values all across southeastern Colorado, low teens. It's not until you get out towards the Kansas border where there's a little bit more moisture out there to bring up that number. But 8 for Canyon City, 14 in Westcliff, 9 in Walsenburg. When you have relative humidity values that are this low, it makes it very easy for these temperatures to really shoot up. And that's why we have some pretty high temperatures. 90s for the Arkansas River Valley, 80s for Lyman as well as Springfield, 94 for Trinidad, 93 in Walsenburg, even 80s in the San Luis Valley at this hour. But the other factor that you really need, clear skies. Not a lot of cloud cover. We are starting to see a little bit here in the northern El Paso County, all the way up into the Palmer Divide, the San Juans, as well as the Raton Mesa. Pretty much where there are mountains, that's where the best chance is going to be for some cloud development. But that's about it. Some of this moisture is now starting to stream over top of New Mexico, and this is going to play a factor into our forecast as we head into tomorrow. High pressure is in control for Colorado. It's not going to move much over the next couple of days, but watch the moisture as it starts to move into Colorado for tomorrow afternoon. May bring a couple of virga showers for the higher elevations, possibly even a light thunderstorm for Baca County. Watch what happens here over the next couple of hours. Things will clear out during the overnight period, mostly clear skies. Again, we're going to look towards the eastern plains for the best chance for some cloud cover because that's where the moisture is. But for tomorrow afternoon, watch what happens. The moisture streams back into the state. We're looking for Baca County. That could be the best chance for a thunderstorm tomorrow afternoon. Maybe a couple of light rain showers here in the higher elevations. I think it's going to be more virga than anything else, which means you'll see it looks like it's falling, but it won't actually hit the ground because, again, we're just so dry out there. And then for tomorrow afternoon, mostly clear skies all along the I-25 corridor. Our concern here is going to be really the temperatures and the near record-setting temperatures at that. Highs for tomorrow afternoon along the Palmer Divide. We're looking for upper 80s in the Monument area, Black Forest, Falcon. You guys will be into the lower 90s with 91 degrees. In the Pikes Peak region, afternoon highs will be 96 for Security, 91 for Manitou Springs, and even down south in Pueblo, our temperatures will be close to the triple digits in Pueblo as well as Pueblo West. Now, the 7-day forecasts. I want you to keep your eyes on this. The verbiage at the bottom of the screen here. For Monday and Tuesday in Colorado Springs, near record temperatures. We'll take a drop back as we head towards Wednesday. A cold front will move into the region. It'll bring our temperatures down by about 10 degrees, but even then, it'll still be above average for this time of the year. Pueblo, you guys also, Monday and Tuesday looking for near record high temperatures. That would actually be tying the records of 100 and 101 for Monday and Tuesday. Canyon City, close to 100 for Monday and Tuesday to start off the work week. Thunderstorms back into the forecast for Wednesday and Thursday. We start to dry things out on Friday, but then we're getting back into Saturday and Sunday. That heat returns. And again, we could be talking about record temperatures for even next Sunday here in the lower elevations. That is assuming that the long-range forecasts actually hold.